the example of graphical method of minimization type. Okay, this is the minimization type LPP, and you have to solve the LPP by the use of graphical method. Okay, so first of all we have to first check there are two variables x1 and x2. So let's consider x1 as a x-axis and x2 as a y-axis. Okay, now consider the constraints. There are two constraints are of greater than or equal to type. So first of all consider it that two constraints are of the from equal to type. Okay, and then you have to find the points, right? So there are two equations, x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0. Okay, now this x1 and x2, put first x2 equal to 0 in this equation. 20x1 is equal to 900, so x1 is equal to 900 divided by 20, so it is 45. So what we get, x1 equal to 45. Similarly for second point, we have to put x1 equal to 0. Put x1 equal to 0, this x1 equal to 0 in this equation, x1 equal to 0, you get 30 x2 is equal to 900. So x2 is equal to 900 divided by 30, so we get 30. Same way you have to find here, put x2 equal to 0, so x1 equal to 1200 divided by 40, that is equal to 30. And for x1 equal to 0 in this equation, x2 is equal to 1200 divided by 30, so we get 40. So we get 4 points, 2 points for line 1 and 2 points for line 2. Okay, so the points are, first point is x coordinate 45 0, y coordinate 0, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 30. These 2 points are for line 1 and here 30 comma 0 and 0 comma 40 for line 2. Okay, in this example both constraints are of greater than or equal to type. Look here, both constraints are of greater than or equal to type. Okay, so when you draw a line connecting by 2 points, then you have to draw up arrow. Okay, so showing the upward arrows at the end of the lines. Okay, so you can find easily the region. So in graph the lines are shown as a line 1 and line 2. The area common to the both equation is to be considered as a feasible region. And here is the graph. Okay, this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. Now your first point is here, first point 45 0. So 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 and 90 are of on x-axis, and 10 20 30 40 up to 80 are on of y-axis. Okay, now first point 45, so in between 40 and 50 we have to draw one point here. So its y-axis are 0 and x-axis is 45, so here there is one point. Second point 0 30, second point here x-axis are 0 and y-axis are 30, so it is 0 30. So draw a one line 45 0 and 0 30. Okay, this is one line. Okay, and going to up arrow, this is our line 1. Okay, this is our line 1. Now the another point is x-axis 30, y-axis 0, x-axis 30, y-axis 0, and the another point is 0 and y-axis 40, so 0 and y-axis 40. Now draw another line. Okay, and also doing up arrow, upward arrow means opposite to region. Okay, so this is line 2. Now we have to find out the common region from both that line. So here this line and here this line, so common region is this. Okay, this is our boundary. this is our boundary line. So this is whole, this is our region. Okay, so we have to find 3 intersection point, 0, 40, 15. Okay, this one, this point, this is also a point. Here it is lies between 10 and 20, so we get here 15, and here it is parallel to 20, so the point will become 15, 20. Okay, so there are 3 extreme points, 0, 40, 15, 20 and 45, 0. Okay, let's give name A, B and C. Okay, now you have to find the value of Z. Okay, so put down the value of x1 and x2 from the objective function. Okay, here the extreme points are 0, 40, 15, 20 and 45, 0. So it is, when you put A 0, 40 you get 3200, when you put B 15, 20 you get 2500, and when you put C the coordinates are 45, 0, then you get 2700. So this is the minimization type problem. Okay, minimize Z, so you have to find out the minimum value of this. So it is 2500, which one is minimum? Okay, so this is your actual point. So as shown in the table, the point B 1520 is the point where the Z is minimum. So the optimal solution of this LPP is x1 equal to 15, x2 is equal to 20 and minimize Z is equal to 2500. Okay, now in minimization type you have to find the region which is opposite to origin. Okay, and in maximization type problem you have to find the region are coming from origin. Okay, there are two vast difference for maximization type and minimization type problem.